Have you ever wondered, should I say I will do it or I'm going to do it? You're not alone. Hi, I'm Neha, and welcome back to Toon Talk English, where we learn real English in real life. Today is day 6 of our shadowing practice series, and we're talking about something super useful, how to talk about the future naturally. But don't worry, we're not diving into grammar rules. We're going to feel the difference with voice and rhythm. I'll say 100 real sentences using will and going to, and all you have to do is listen, pause, repeat after me. By the end, you'll start to feel which one sounds right in the moment, just like native speakers. So stay with me till the end. This is going to be fun. Ready? Let's jump right in and feel the difference between will and going to through real-life examples. I will call you after dinner. Don't worry. She's going to bake a cake. We will help you move this weekend. Just tell us the time. They're going to watch a movie tonight. It's already booked. I think it will rain later. The clouds look dark. He's going to start a new job next week. He already signed the papers. Don't worry, I will explain everything to the teacher. You won't get in trouble. We're going to visit Grandma tomorrow. We told her already. She will love this dress. It's her favorite color. He's going to miss the bus. He's still getting ready. Great job so far. Now let's keep going and feel more of how we use will for sudden decisions or offers and going to for plans and predictions. I will open the window. It's too hot in here. They're going to travel to Japan next month. Everything is already planned. She will carry your bag. Just ask her. I'm going to paint my room this weekend. I bought the colors yesterday. I think he'll pass the test. He studied really hard. We're going to eat out tonight. No cooking today. Don't worry. I will wait for you at the gate. Take your time. She's going to meet her cousin. They planned it last week. I will call the doctor now. You look really tired. They're going to move to a new apartment. It's closer to work. You're doing amazing. Now let's go deeper and feel how going to is used for plans and will for quick responses or promises. Let's go. I'm going to buy new shoes. They're on sale today. He will help you. Just ask him nicely. We're going to cook dinner together. It's our weekend plan. I will text you the address. Don't worry. She's going to learn Spanish. She already signed up for classes. I'll stay here. You go get the tickets. They're going to start a YouTube channel. It's their big idea. Don't worry. I will find a solution. Trust me. He's going to take driving lessons. His exam is next month. I will go with you. You don't have to go alone.
Nice work! Let's keep going. You're building a strong instinct for how native speakers talk about the future. Let's practice the next 10 sentences together. I'm going to visit the museum. There's a new art show.
She will love this book. It's her favorite genre. They're going to build a tree house. Their dad is helping them. I will remind you tomorrow. Don't stress about it now. He's going to wash the car. It's really dirty. Don't worry, I will walk you home. It's not far. We're going to decorate the room. Her birthday is coming. I will carry that for you. It looks heavy. She's going to start painting again. She really missed it. I'll wait here. Just go and check. You're halfway through. Let's keep the rhythm going with more real-life ways to talk about future actions, decisions, and plans. I'm going to wear my new dress. It's perfect for the party. He will be late. The traffic is terrible. They're going to clean the house. Guests are coming over. I will let you know as soon as I find out. She's going to join the dance class. She loves to move. Don't worry, I'll take care of it. You can relax. We're going to buy groceries. The fridge is empty. He will come with us. He just called to say so. I'm going to write in my journal. It helps me think. They'll never believe it, but it's true. Great job sticking with it. Let's explore more natural ways to talk about the future, using both spontaneous choices and planned actions. I'm going to take a nap. I didn't sleep well last night. He will answer your question. Just give him a minute. We're going to visit the zoo. The kids are super excited. I'll make you some tea. You look tired. She's going to draw a comic. She already has the idea. Don't worry, I will fix it. It won't take long. They're going to plant flowers. Spring is here. I will remind you later. Just enjoy the moment now. He's going to cook something new. He watched a recipe video. I'll send the email before I leave. You're doing fantastic. Now let's look at even more situations where will shows a quick promise or offer and going to shows plans that are already in motion. I'm going to call my cousin. We haven't talked in weeks. He will lend you his book. Just ask him. They're going to organize a picnic. The weather looks perfect. I'll lock the door. You go ahead. She's going to buy a new phone. Hers keeps freezing. I will grab your jacket. It's getting cold. We're going to make a scrapbook. It's for our school project. He'll come early. He promised. I'm going to clean my room. It's a total mess. Don't worry. I will explain everything. It's going to be okay. You've come so far. Amazing dedication. Now let's practice a few more real-life sentences to build fluency when talking about future plans and instant decisions. I'm going to take my bike. It's faster than walking. He will text you later. He's in a meeting now. They're going to fix the roof. It's leaking badly. I'll go ask the teacher. Just wait here. She's going to make lemonade. It's really hot outside. Don't worry. I will cover your shift. Just feel better soon. We're going to print the photos. They turned out great. He'll carry the boxes. He's already on his way. I'm going to write a poem. I feel inspired. I will close the windows. The rain's coming. Only 2 batches left. Let's keep building your confidence and get even more comfortable using will and going to like a native speaker. I'm going to meet my teacher. I have some questions. He will tell you everything. Just give him time. They're going to start a band. They already picked a name. I'll grab some snacks. Be right back. She's going to practice the guitar. Her show is next week. Don't worry, I will explain it to your mom. She'll understand. We're going to visit the science fair. It's open till 6. He'll bring his camera. He loves taking photos. I'm going to clean the whiteboard. It's full of notes. I will find your keys. Let's check the living room. You made it to the final batch. Amazing work! Let's finish strong with these last 10 sentences that show how we naturally talk about the future every day. I'm going to try something new, maybe baking. He will drive us to school. He's free today. They're going to paint the fence. It's looking old. I'll help you with your homework. Don't worry. She's going to read that book. She's been curious about it. Don't worry, I will call the taxi. It'll be here soon. We're going to camp this weekend. The weather looks perfect. He'll join us for dinner. He just texted. I'm going to tidy up my desk. I can't find anything. I will tell you a secret, but only if you promise not to laugh. And that's it. You did it. Today, you practiced 100 real sentences using will and going to without memorizing any grammar rules. Instead, you felt the difference, how will is used for sudden decisions, promises, and offers, and how going to is perfect for plans and predictions. You listened, you repeated, and now your future talk sounds way more natural. The more you shadow, the more fluent you'll become, so feel free to repeat this video anytime. Tomorrow is day 7, our final day in the shadowing practice series, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. So make sure you hit subscribe, turn on the bell, and join me again tomorrow, right here on Toon Talk English. Until then, keep smiling, keep speaking, and keep learning like a real-life English speaker. See you soon!